Yelp is a valuable tool for discovering nearby restaurants and other businesses. Follow these steps to find all restaurants near a specific location on Yelp. Open your web browser and go to the Yelp website or launch the Yelp mobile app on your smartphone. While signing into your Yelp account is optional, it can enhance your experience by saving preferences and allowing you to bookmark restaurants. Use the search bar on the Yelp homepage or app to enter the location where you want to find restaurants. If it can be a big city, a neighborhood, a street address, or even a landmark. After entering the location, you may see a list of businesses, including restaurants in the area. Yelp will display a list of restaurants based on your search criteria. Scroll through the results to view restaurant names, ratings, reviews, and other relevant information. Click on the names of individual restaurants in the search results to view more details. Yelp provides customer reviews and ratings for each restaurant, so take some time to read through reviews to get an idea of the dining experience and quality of food offered. By following these steps, you can easily find all restaurants near a specific location on Yelp. Bon appétit, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.